Well, today is May 31st, 2026. You can see that the hatch is in full bloom. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's pretty, yeah, it's going. So I'm out with my pure lure telescopic rod today. My Loongze Dbc-1 4-line Sunline sniper. Still using the slim swims. And wow, right at hatch. I'm gonna work this shoreline down to that bridge down there. See if we can get into anything. This running gun approach is just for the fish that are biting. I'm looking for the biters. A little further down. There we go. Yeah, that seems like a nice one. Oh, geez, did I lose him? No, we still on him. He's an acrobat. He's running upstream. He wants to. He's the smaller one, but they are strong. I wasn't expecting that. He's an aggressive one. These river smallmouth are always fun to catch. I mean, he's not very big, but he thought he was. Ooh, almost got it back into my hand. So here he is. I think that's 20 for the year. I don't know how that one year I caught 1,000 fish. It seems like an impossibility, but it's just, you don't got your line in the water, you're not going to catch anything. So like I said, it's a full hatch going on. So I'm going to keep fishing the shoreline here. I'm still using the swimmers. So there we go, got another one. This one feels a little nicer. Ooh, I have to tighten up the drag a little bit there. He's putting on a show. 21, if I could get him in. Yeah, he's gotta get down to him because they don't want to fall in. Here he is. I don't recommend doing this unfortunate test, what I just did. Oh, come on, buddy. There he is, number 21. He took it in. Not good. He swallowed it. Oh, God, I got fat fingers. There he is, number 21 for the year. Nice, beautiful fish. Nice dark colors. Let's get him back in. Thank you, sir. Number 2. It was kind of too close to shore. And I got snagged. Push bit from down here. I can't stop stringing. Ooh, another one. Number 3. They're not getting any bigger, but I think he's 20, 21, 22 for the year. What did I count? I don't know why I keep track. I think this is a personal thing. The one year I did 300, the one year 1,000. It took me like a month and a half to catch another one to get to 1,000. Keep fan casting. Ooh, here was another one. Nailed it. Ooh. Doesn't look very big, but these smallmouth are just fighters. Like I said, well, he looks a little better. I have to come down a little closer to the water's edge. Oh yeah, they're getting bigger. I don't like doing that, but it's amazing what this 4-pound Sunline sniper will do. There he is. Wow, 4th fish. 23. I said the morning hatch is key. That's when they're moving around. If you're watching my channel, you'll notice that I fish hatches are the prime spots. I'll keep going. There's lobster fry. Yeah, lucky. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, he's not very big, but he put out a shot. Number 5. He's an acrobat. I'm gonna call it a morning. I got stuff to do. I haven't been getting out. I've been doing some gardening. Yes, I like gardening. I have a couple plot that I rent at home. Plan was to hit a few more spots, but I think we're gonna call it a day. If we don't see any more footage, I think we ended it at 5. I'm gonna continue working my way back. But that island's changed after they removed the dam, so it's improving. If we don't see any more footage, that's the end of our morning session. Kind of a different. I see a turtle. He's got quite the walk. Maybe I should help him get back in the water. I'm gonna put my net down. No, I'm trying to help you, buddy. Put him there. I hope he was going to a different spot. Maybe I made more work for you. He was thinking that he can go back somewhere else, but I don't want him to die. We got an escort to the river, buddy. Oh wow, there's really no area for me to climb down to. Do not want to slip. Very steep incline. There he goes. He's back. My good duty for today is done.